Okay guys, this is a complete and utter dud. I just literally got this last night. Just charged it all night to use it. It doesn't do anything. It won't even eject the staples. Look at this. Doesn't do nothing. Looks good. Yet another dud. I honestly think I spend more time sending stuff back. On Amazon, it's becoming Wish. Hold on. Oh God, don't tell me it already died. Okay, I've squeezed it like 5 times, maybe 6. Nothing came out. And it's already dead, so I can't even show you guys.
They kept trying it on it. That's not a game. Oh yeah. This thing's got 20,000 miles on it after that fell out. Yeah. This head's junk. I don't think there's anything I want to save off of it. I know that to be welded up for repair, but I have like 3 or 4 sets of these that are in good shape. I think this is going in the scrap pile. I know this is a lot of work, and it also might seem trivial, but this is a lot of fun. Yeah, same. And I'm saying this case, it's going to be the 891. I'm worried about this one row. Is that the one?
Not in. 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 Not in. Not in. Not in and bent. Not in. Not in. Bent. Not in and bent.
This is the problem I keep running into. It has staples in it. It'll work for a while, and then nothing. There's the staples. It's somehow jamming up in here, and it's just not working. There you go.
That's the nail side, as you can see. But the nails, in fact, you get up getting stuck down there and they won't come out. And the gun just won't work. Nothing.